This video is backed by high demand, some of our pest control chemicals that we use for our mosquito service. And I should preface this with there are multiple types of chemicals and products that we will use throughout the year. It's April at the time of me doing this video. We will actually switch amongst many different types of treatment processes. We will use mosquito buckets. I'll try to link a video to my actual business channel where I actually did a tutorial on how our mosquito buckets work. First product we use is called Lambda 9.7 CS. We've been using this product now for like 2 or 3 years, and it's very affordable. And what I love about it is it's what's called a microencapsulated chemical. So it's a slow release chemical. To, tell everyone in layman terms, I always just say it's like mini time bombs that are just slowly releasing that chemical. And we find that it works really great in the harborage areas, bushes and things like that where the mosquitoes are going to be breeding. Next chemical really isn't a must. The only reason I'm even adding this today is because I actually left our other chemical, which is called Alticid IGR, in my garage. And this is Teco Pro IGR. It's going to do kind of the same thing. What it is it's called a IGR, a insect growth regulator. So that's going to help, prevent the younger mosquitoes from development and things like that. There is a lot of controversy in the industry, I'll say, about whether or not it's even worth spraying these, using it for mosquitoes. I find that, what I do works, and I'm in Texas where there's a lot of mosquito activity. So if it works, I'm definitely going to keep doing it. Then of course we got our 5-gallon jug. The reason being that we have separate water from our rig setup back there is because what we have in the rig is called Tempered FX. That's more of a non-repellent chemical, where the Lambda 9.7 CS that we have is a repellent chemical. You never want to mix those two chemicals, so always have some clean water on hand. I have 3 of these 5-gallon jugs in my truck. That way whenever we have mosquito services or whatever the case may be, we're good to go on that side of things. So then you just pour that, of course, into your backpack. The backpack we use is the Flow Zone, was it the Typhoon 2.5? And then, like we said, from there we just go ahead and mix the chemical in there. Obviously you always want to read the chemical label. The amount that we'll usually mix into the backpack is about ½ an ounce essentially. And then when it comes to this Teco Pro IGR, we just go ahead and dab 1 ounce of that into the backpack as well. But again, like I said, always make sure to read your chemical labels and follow the label, because the label is the law. And in terms of results, don't think that as soon as you guys spray this stuff that you're gonna just see immediate results. I always tell my customers, give it a couple days at the most. Ideally you don't want to do it, obviously, one, when it's raining, right? But also you don't want to do it if there's like a chance of rain, a high chance of rain later in the day, ideally. Now of course, if you're in an area like I am in Texas, springs are crazy when it comes to rain. You kind of get it in when you can. That's why we offer the free reservices as well. But generally speaking, within about 1 to 3 days, a lot of our customers start to say that they see some crazy good results, especially when we do the spray along with the buckets as well. And while we're on the topic of just our overall mosquito treatment process, those buckets are called Into-Care buckets. Usually you have to be a pest control company to actually get access to them, because they only sell them in bulk currently. They don't sell them individually. But if you're interested in hearing more about that, I'll try to remember to either A, link it at the end of this video here, or B, in the description box down below.